Last few weeks on our Independence long-range fishing trip, we had good fishing with some quality yellowfin, but this is the week we wrap up this awesome 13-day rod and reel radio charter with Stan Vanderburg's group, getting into some trophies. These are the couple of days that fishermen dream of. To catch your personal best yellowfin tuna is a dream come true for most offshore fishermen who target these cow tuna. It's an adrenaline rush like no other, and the feeling you get when that big fish hits the deck is priceless. Memories that will last a lifetime.
Right here! Oh, wahoo out of the water! Oh man! Oh man! Stoked on fishing, man!
Stoked on fishing!
Stoked On Fishing is brought to you by Simrad, the world's most trusted fish finding electronics and marine equipment. Simrad, providing a complete range of navigational solutions, communications equipment, and instrumentation to customers around the world. Simrad. Go with confidence. And by Okuma Fishing, high-performance fishing tackle developed to inspire your passion for fishing both on and off the water. And by Davies Locker Sport Fishing and Whale Watching, where Southern California goes to experience what the ocean has to offer.
If I take that sinker off, you gotta be back here.
Are these bait or type fish?
These are all bait, man. This is real deal cow. Real deal this morning.
Fuse right there. Did I see on the deck?
Yeah, we got 3 and maybe another one.
Okay.
Yeah, and probably a few on our lines here.
Okay.
Real deal. Okay, well, oh, yeah, baby. There we go.
Watch out behind us.
Yeah! Yeah! That's what we come up here for.
Off, Johnny?
Yeah. Piss! You're gonna have to edit that.
Nope, not at all. That's part of fishing. You sure? You sure he's still not on there? Start whining, buddy. Just keep whining. Keep whining. I think he just...
Well, he's right though.
You keep whining, dude. He's on there.
Oh,
You don't be giving up yet, bro.
I want to though.
See that? There you go, dude. He was just running at you.
I heard a pop.
Stay right there, Toto. I don't care if that line's going up that way or not. Stay right there.
Deep color. This man right here.
Sweating. For sure, man.
You been on this for a while?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right, I'll probably need another guy over here.
Lost my first one to a shark. Ate half my shark.
Go down there. Jump over there, Tony.
Go down there.
Jump over there. Okay.
Lift.
Get him, Derek.
Lift. One more turn.
Left. Wind, and left. Ooh! Woo! Yeah. Good job, son. Woohoo!
There's a personal best.
Some effort right there, baby.
Oh boy, my arms are burning.
Right?
Oh yeah. So happy, man. 13-day aboard the Independence. You can't beat it.
Kicking butt, huh?
So good.
Nice.
I think I need a break. I'll end up casting it anyway and doing it again.
Yeah, of course you will.
It's the
You can't help
addiction. It's the obsession.
You can't help it.
No.
Got it. Come to the corner. Ray Jones, sit on it.
Of course you're getting back out there. There's no way you're not.
I can't handle it.
Here's the fridge. Going down.
You got the 130, Vin. Come on, Vin.
That's it.
Mini Y!
Johnny J. Woo, Johnny J.
Lucky now. Okay, in that part. 1, 2, 3. All right, take your time.
Fishing is over. Woo! I am beat. I want you to know that.
You better go get another bait. There's Johnny. That's a nice fish. They almost look like bookends, like the one I caught.
Let it down, Sarah.
Well, I thought they said let it go. They said let it go, so I let it go. But I think mine might be a little large. But that's a beautiful fish.
Get him, Vince. Get him, Vince.
How's that? Steady. You stick it? Coming across. Oh, it's already right though.
Oh, I gotta go over and under.
What are you doing this sticking?
I wish I could hear that drag, but it's so silent and quiet.
For all those that are catching these cows, nothing but admiration for you.
On the deck.
It's not easy to do, is it, Jay?
No. When you're 75, it's definitely not an easy task.
Congratulations, Jay.
I am tired.
You know what I call that? Stoked.
Stoked I am.
There you go. Woo! Pull. Booyah! On the deck, man. Come on.
Thanks, buddy.
No place like it around, really.
Right.
World class.
Is this your favorite type of fishing to do? If you had to pick one.
No, this is it.
This is it, okay.
Big fish. That's right up my alley. The bigger the better.
Nowhere else in the world can this happen, pretty much. Mothership type stuff where you're doing this type of fishing, right?
No, this is it.
Yeah.
San Diego fleet, one of a kind.
Yeah.
Every one of these rigs that come out here and try this, every one of them, top notch. Jimmy, let's come up here, bud. Yeah. Get him, Jim. Tank's up, man. Tank's up, but I wonder if it's
You cast off your lines and head out. This is where the gear you run could make all the difference between uncertainty and confidence. Confidence to go further. Confidence to go short-handed. Confidence to go where the billfish are biting. Confidence to go past your curfew. Confidence to go beyond your expectations with Simrad, a name that's been trusted in navigation for over 60 years. Beginning with Simrad founder Willie Simonson, one of a handful of Norwegian engineers to work with new naval technology during the Second World War. Using his knowledge and expertise, Simonson made radiophones for the fishery fleet and created the first echo sounder for commercial use in 1950. Technology fishermen relied on to communicate, to get the job done, and to get back home again. It's a legacy of reliability and technical innovation we're proud to carry on. So whether you're going to the inner harbor, the canyons, or the far horizon, you can be confident that Simrad will get you there like no one else. Simrad, go with confidence.
That guy. Stoked on fishing. Yes. Tuna.
It's fishing, no joke, man. You get a nice workout.
The rods that were upstairs are all done. You put your rod to get a new top shot. The top shots are all completed.
Step this way, guys.
Thanks, Dan.
Camera over there?
That's how quick they get wrapped. Wow. See that?
Keep your rod tip out. Get him, Mark.
Oh yeah.
Got a jump or you didn't know it?
Oh, drag him down.
Nice job, Mark. Man.
Yeah.
Nice job. Looks like a good one. Game time.
You got to have a bend in it, and that acts as a shock absorber. And if you point it, bad things happen.
Yeah.
Either the hook breaks, the hook pulls out, or the line breaks, whichever comes first.
You just swam straight up. Yeah.
Hey Bob, what do you think, bud?
That's a big fish. I'm really happy to have it on. I'm glad I got good equipment to reel it in with.
You got it?
You got it?
Yeah.
Hey, that is a beast. Okay, you're a good angle here. I'm gonna say, remember, keep. Okay, get some. There you go. That's the way you do it.
Saying they give you little windows, Jeff?
You know they do. You can tell when this thing is finally done doing his figure eights around the anchor line 5, 6, 8 times, Now he's kind of settled in. He's been on for about an hour and 20 minutes. Big fish, and now he's just kind of settled in here, and it's a matter of keeping the momentum. You know, he's coming up all the time, and you just got to use every opportunity to get a couple grinds at the right time. You know, a lot of guys make the mistake of just playing them out, like, and the longer they're on there, the more things that can go wrong. The longer they're on there, so as long as you got them on a great outfit, you stand a chance here. Most likely, it's going to end right here, within 10 feet of the spot. You know the gig. You know the gig.
The bow has no ripple.
That's it. That's the technique. You got it. Yeah. Sometimes you got to pinch.
Yeah.
Get him. There you go. That's how you're going to land him. And he comes around and he's actually swimming right at you. And that's when you put the screws to him. Okay, keep it rolling, Bob. Nice.
Same routine, man. Same routine.
You got 3 wood?
I do.
Okay, Bob. Now's not the time to quit.
Right now, Bob. Giving you line.
Just stick with the program, pinch the spool, Bob, and turn it, just like you've been doing. It's coming around. Get him. Get him.
Holy cow.
Maybe on the other side there, Pablo.
Keep on.
Don't dig. Hold on. Maybe they'll lift it. Maybe they'll lift it now. Sideways, here we go.
Alrighty, Bob, what do you say, buddy?
Man, that was awesome. And what a trip. It's what I came on this trip for, and man, I'm glad it worked out.
Is that your personal best there, do you think?
That's personal best for sure, without a doubt.
A few words about the Okuma 30, buddy. That's the first
Never
time
let me down. This thing was just spot on. Drags just soft and smooth. Beautiful.
That's the first time
really
you used
nice.
that reel?
First time on this reel and the first time in this outfit. Just a great outfit. Great setup.
Congratulations, Bob.
Thanks.
That was awesome. Any words to the crew by any chance?
Hey, this crew, I'll tell you what, these guys are the best. Best in the world. Best
There
boat.
he is.
What about
crew.
Bob?
Here we go.
You can do it. Nice job.
Yeah.
Stoked On Fishing Trip Tips is brought to you by Simrad and the new NSO Evo 2. Low profile touchscreen, chart plotter, multifunctional display, GPS, chirp, and traditional sonar. Simrad. Go with confidence. When it comes to fishing for trophy yellowfin tuna, everyone on the boat has their own techniques, and that goes for fishing gear too. If you're a newcomer to long-range fishing, just ask questions. The captain and crew always prep you in the galley on what you will be fishing for and what gear to use. If you don't have something, just ask the crew and they will get you dialed in. There's a ton of tips when it comes to this style of fishing, but there are a few that stood out with me. One was the PL68 jig, worked great when the fish were deep, as well as the rubber band weight with a nose hook sardine. I like butt hooking and shoulder hooking a sardine with a number 5 or number 6 circle hook. Circle hooks are mandatory. If you get that hook stuck in the corner of the mouth, this gives you a fighting chance of catching your biggest tuna of your lifetime.
is what we're here for.
Nice job, Paul.
It doesn't get any better than this, I tell you.
Fun, fun, fun.
That fish there, he's basically a home guard, large fish, and he was playing with our intelligence with that anchor. At any given moment, if that fish would have went under the anchor or over the anchor, he would have broke the line. He had a big tail beat. I knew he was over at least 250. He's probably, I'm going to tape him right now. It might be 250 to maybe close to 290.
Yeah, you called it. You said right in that 250 and then a little bit up.
Big dark guy.
One more time, bro. I got a nice little piece on there.
Oh.
Just hang it right here.
Really nice fish.
Hang it right there.
Another good day here on the Indy. Yeah.
Big lift.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, my God. Got it, Jeff. There you go. Breathe, buddy. Breathe. Nice job.
My legs.
Oh, yeah. Cramp. Woo!
Spent, brother.
Woo! Oh, mercy. My man. My man.
I doubt I could even get out of this chair, brother.
Dude, that ass, Jeff. That's the real deal, bro. Ran you your personal best?
That's gonna probably be better than 211.
Dude, I love it, Jeffrey. I love it, my friend.
Good Lord.
Look at that smile.
There's only a certain number of days that it's going to be good around any area, but our timing couldn't have been better.
Awesome.
Awesome grade of fish, awesome group of fishermen, and I got to say, man, they when it came down to business, they flat put it to them, put the wood to them. We got a beautiful catch, maybe a dozen over two.
A lot of personal bests.
A lot of personal bests there. I couldn't ask for a better trip.
Awesome.
All the way around. Give it a 10 plus.
Jeff said it best. Our timing could not have gotten better. Everything just seemed to fall into place, starting with the weather, which led to the fish getting bigger every day. This is what these guys signed up for, and it was great to see some personal bests on the trip. Before we go, I just wanted to thank Stan Vanderburg with Rod and Reel Radio, owner Captain Paul Strasser, Captain Jeff Du Bois, the Independence crew, and of course, the 5-star chefs in the galley for making this a fantastic long-range trip. If you're ever interested in fishing the Independence, look them up online at independencesportfishing.com. And if you're stoked on fishing, check us out at our Facebook page. Like us and stay updated on new shows, charters, and recent fishing trips. If you crave even more fishing, go online to stokedonfishing.com and watch over 40 fishing episodes from around the world. Stoked On Fishing is brought to you by Simrad, the world's most trusted fish finding electronics and marine equipment. Simrad, providing a complete range of navigational solutions, communications equipment, and instrumentation to customers around the world. Simrad, go with confidence. And by Okuma Fishing, high-performance fishing tackle developed to inspire your passion for fishing both on and off the water. And by Davies Locker Sport Fishing and Whale Watching, where Southern California goes to experience what the ocean has to offer.